Meaning of delicatessen.
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 Delicatessen. A delicatessen is a type of food store that specializes in the sale of high-quality, unusual or foreign prepared foods. It is often associated with specialty foods and imported products. Delicatessens typically sell a wide range of products including cheeses, cured meats, sandwiches, olive oils, and spices. These stores provide customers with a unique shopping experience with its focus on high-end, gourmet products. The term delicatessen comes from the German word Delikatessen, which means delicacies or fine foods.